Alright, section 2.4. I want you to imagine that I'm going to ask you to graph a line. What would it take? What would be the minimal amount of information you would need to graph this line? If I gave you pretty simply 2 points, that's commonly all we look for. If you have 2 points, then that should be enough. All you need is 2 points to draw a line. That's it. You just need 2 points to draw a line. Okay, so 2 points would be sufficient information to draw a line. How about a special point? The y-intercept. What if I told you what the y-intercept, where it goes through the y-axis, say down here, and if I told you the slope, let's grab another color. If I told you the slope like this, well, that would be enough, right? Because then you could make another point and you could draw your line. Okay, so a y-intercept and the slope, that would be enough information. And then this is it's kind of more general case of what we just talked about. Not the y-intercept, but what if I just gave you some point? If I gave you this point, and I also told you the slope, the rise, and the run, then you could find another point right there, and that would be enough for your line. So if it's enough information to draw a line, then it's enough information to write an equation of a line, and that's what we're going to be doing in this section. Going to write equations of lines. And if I give you 2 points, that should be enough. A y-intercept and a slope, that should be enough. And just a point in general, and a slope, that should be enough. If I gave you 2 points, you could find the slope between them, and that would be enough information. If you have the y-intercept and the slope, you could just put that information right into the slope-intercept form, and that would be way easy. If you had if you had a point and a slope, there's this new thing called the point-slope form, and let's just come up with that right now. We know that the slope is equal to y minus some other y value, the y value from one point minus the y value of a second point, over x minus some other x value, and if we on both sides multiply by x minus x1, then we get y. We will get y eventually here. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, and this is what is called point slope form. Okay, so if I gave you 2 points, you could easily find the slope between them, and then you could plug a point and the slope into the point slope form. Okay, so we're gonna put this all together and do some sample problems in the next video.